Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, another edition of The Story Behind the Car. The sun is going down, but we wanted to get this beautiful 64 Chevy C10. We got Jimmy, and Jimmy, can you tell us a little bit about your truck, how you acquired it, and just give us a little lowdown on it, the wheels and tires and the whole 9 yards.
Okay, I seen the truck in Springfield at the Route 66 show, and it was for sale, and I thought it was a good price, so I bought it. An older gentleman built it. He took a long bed frame and cut it down to a short bed frame, but did it all right. And then it's got a brand new 350 Chevy in it. Yeah, just a second. Then he did a all new sheet metal, so all the sheet metal's new. It's a Southwest rust-free cab, big back window, and then the whole front clip is all new, I do believe. I think the doors were original. He put all new suspension on it. It's got the tubular control arms. It's got disc brakes in the front, drums in the back. The wheels and tires are a Detroit steel wheel.
Looks like Firestones.
18-inch, yes, Firestone tires on there.
What is the color? Do you know the color?
The color is, I believe, sand beige is what he said it is.
Yeah.
Inside and out.
Boy, it is just amazing. So straight, too.
The paint work is beyond any C10 I've ever seen. So,
yeah.
Has a 350 with the 700R FORE, so it runs down the highway. We drove here. This is the first time we really drove it on the highway, doing 70 miles an hour at 2,000 RPM. So the
and it's for sale as well.
Does great. Yes.
Can you raise the hood?
Yes.
Wow.
So it's got the vintage air. It's got the vintage air front serpentine set up on it. It's an Edelbrock carb. It's a 350 with a small cam in it and the AFR aluminum heads on it.
Boy, it is nice. So nicely detailed, too.
He did a really good job on it.
Love the radiator, too.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing how they look, factory.
Almost.
Yeah.
If they weren't shiny,
yeah,
you could paint it black and people would think it was a factory radiator, but I was really impressed with it, but yeah, I'm selling it because I've got another car I'm trying to finish.
And is it okay if I put your contact information below?
Absolutely.
Okay, beautiful. And you said you drove it 70 miles an hour on the freeway, no problem?
No problems at all.
Yeah.
It rides down really smooth with the tubular control arms at the 3/4 drop, so 3 inches in the front, 4 inches in the back, but rides excellent.
I'm gonna get a side shot here.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 in the front, 4 in the back, you said?
Yes.
Very nice.
Not too low, but better than stock.
Yeah.
So.
Well, all right. Any other uniqueness or any quirkiness that you want to talk about before we wrap things up, Jimmy?
I don't believe so.
All righty. Well, thank you much for telling us the story behind your car.
Well, thank you.